Here are some tips to save money quickly. 1. Create a budget. Start by knowing where your money is going, then prioritize and cut expenses where possible. 2. Reduce food costs, plan meals, buy generic brands, and avoid eating out. 3. Eliminate unnecessary subscriptions. Do a review of all your monthly subscriptions and cancel the ones you don't need. 4. Energy conservation. Turn off lights and electronics when not in use, and adjust your thermostat to save on energy bills. 5. Use public transportation or carpool. Driving less can save you money on gas, maintenance and car insurance. 6. Shop sales and use coupons. Take advantage of sales, special deals, and coupons to save money on purchases. 7. Avoid impulse purchases. Stop buying things you don't need, and wait a day or two before making any large purchases. 8. Automate your savings. Consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. How the rich save money. The rich save money in a variety of ways, many of which are similar to how others save money. 1. Budgeting. Wealthy individuals have a clear understanding of their income and expenses, and they allocate their resources efficiently. 2. Investing. Rich people typically invest a significant portion of their money in stocks, bonds, and other assets that grow over time. 3. Tax planning. Wealthy individuals often work with financial advisors and tax professionals to minimize their tax liabilities. 4. Asset allocation. Rich people diversify their investments to minimize risk and maximize returns. 5. Frugality. Despite their wealth, many rich people live below their means and avoid frivolous spending. 6. Avoiding debt. Wealthy individuals are often debt averse and avoid taking on unnecessary debt. 7. Multiple streams of income. Rich people often have multiple sources of income, including investments, businesses, and real estate. 8. Long-term planning. Wealthy individuals have a clear understanding of their financial goals and make plans to achieve them over the long term. How to create a budget. Creating a budget involves the following steps. 1. Track your spending. For at least 1 month, keep track of all your expenses, including bills, groceries, and discretionary spending. 2. Identify your income. Calculate your monthly income, including any salary, side income, or government benefits. 3. Categorize expenses. Divide your expenses into categories, such as housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. 4. Assess your spending. Compare your spending to your income to determine if you are spending more than you are earning. 5. Set financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your budget, such as saving for a down payment on a house or paying off debt. 6. Make a plan. Based on your spending and goals, decide on a budget that allows you to live within your means and work towards your financial goals. 7. Adjust as needed. Review your budget regularly and make adjustments as necessary to ensure you are staying on track. 8. Stick to the budget. Try to stick to your budget as closely as possible, but be flexible and make adjustments when necessary. Remember, a budget is a tool to help you achieve your financial goals, not a strict set of rules. Assets and liabilities. Assets and liabilities are two important concepts in personal finance and accounting. Assets are items of value that a person or company owns, such as property, cash, stocks, or other investments. Assets have the potential to generate income or appreciate in value over time. Liabilities are debts or obligations that a person or company owes, such as a mortgage, credit card debt, or a loan. Liabilities represent a claim on a person's or company's assets and must be paid back in the future. The difference between assets and liabilities is known as net worth. Net worth is calculated by subtracting liabilities from assets and provides a snapshot of a person's or company's financial health. A positive net worth indicates that a person has more assets than liabilities and is in a strong financial position. A negative net worth indicates that a person has more liabilities than assets and may be in financial difficulty. Interest on savings. Interest on savings refers to the amount of money a financial institution pays to an individual for keeping their money in a savings account. The interest rate on a savings account is typically a percentage of the deposit and is paid on a regular basis, such as monthly or annually. The interest rate on savings accounts is generally lower than other types of investments, such as stocks or bonds, but it is also a safer option as the principal deposit is typically insured by the government. The interest rate on a savings account can vary depending on several factors, including the financial institution, the type of account, and the current economic conditions. Some financial institutions may offer higher interest rates to attract customers, while others may offer lower rates. It is important to shop around and compare the interest rates offered by different financial institutions to find the best savings account for your needs. In general, savings accounts are a good option for individuals who want to save money for short-term goals, such as an emergency fund, or who want a safe and secure place to store their money. Another way to save is with an IRA. An IRA, individual retirement account, is a type of savings account designed for retirement savings. There are two main types of IRAs, traditional IRAs and Roth IRAs. Traditional IRA. With a traditional IRA, contributions may be tax deductible in the year they are made, and the funds grow tax deferred until they are withdrawn in retirement. Distributions taken from a traditional IRA in retirement are taxed as ordinary income. Roth IRA. With a Roth IRA, contributions are made with after-tax dollars, meaning they are not tax deductible in the year they are made. However, the funds grow tax-free and qualified withdrawals in retirement are tax-free as well. Both traditional and Roth IRAs have annual contribution limits and are subject to certain eligibility requirements. It is important to consult with a financial advisor or tax professional to determine the best IRA option for your individual needs and financial situation. In general, IRAs are a great way to save for retirement, as they offer tax advantages and the potential for growth through investments such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. However, it is important to remember that contributions to an IRA are typically locked in until age 59 and a half, and early withdrawals may be subject to taxes and penalties. Please subscribe.